Hi, I'm Veljko.
And I'm Vlad. And we're gonna tell you why to visit Equilibrio Camp. Equilibrio Camp mixes fun activities with education.
It's pretty fun to be here, but the problem is you have to know at least the basics of English language, because everything is on English.
Hi, my name is Tom. I was in the English camp. It is great.
Hi, my name is Lea Milenkovic. I've been going to Equilibrio Camp for 2 weeks. I've met new friends. The teachers are great.
Hi, I'm Sarah and I go in Equilibrio Camp.
Hallo, ich heiße Petra. Ich bin 13 Jahre alt. Ich komme aus Belgrad.
Every day we went to different places. It was really fun.
Teachers are best teacher in the world.
Teacher in Equilibrio Camp is the best, and I'm back next year. We love teacher in this camp.
Camp is really interesting. Every day we have got something new and we learn new things.
It's so good.
Yeah, it's pretty fun and you can make a lot of friends.
Yeah, like us.
Yeah.
I'm really going to miss Equilibrio Camp. I wish that it lasts for 1 month or 2, but next year I'm going to come again.
Bye!
We love Equilibrio! Tschüss!
Like that's what you want.